as I said, I think it's about just, being independent and doing things for yourself. When I travel, I want to kind of have my own space. I want to kind of just, be in my own bubble. I want to escape from the world, but I also want to explore parts of the world that I haven't been to. So I think Airbnb kind of provides that perfect cocoon because you're kind of living in your own bubble and you kind of have to figure stuff out for yourself. You get to cook, you get to just do laundry, just do so many things that you might not be able to do when you live, at home. So yeah, I think just having that experience of doing things for yourself, for me personally, is very exciting.
Thank you.
Because I don't cook or do any of these things.
From start to finish, clearly when I want to eat. So that is something that's definitely on my list.
I want to do the Sabrina Carpenter coffee one. How does that happen?
We'll talk about it.
Okay, yeah.
We'll talk about it. No, but that's interesting. The ramen making one, I was almost gonna go for it. This was when I was there last time, but did not. But now I kind of regret it. Yeah, ramen making. We should do that. Okay.
And some amazing stays there. So yeah, looking forward to that.
Thank you.
Africa, I've been, but Bali. I've never been to Bali, and they have like some amazing villas and homes, and I want to go on those bikes around and surf. I can't do any of this, but I want to try. Yeah.
Oh my god. I have a feeling that you're going to do that with us.
बहुत ऐसी चीज़ें
आप एक बताओ, फिर मैं एक बताती हूँ.
वो ऐसा
हो
लगता है
जाएगा।
कुछ और नहीं, हम खुद की करते हैं और उन्हें वो पसंद नहीं है। तो मुझे लगता है कि ये चीज़ मुझे बदलनी चाहिए कि जेनजी का टैग लगा के तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता। तो कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ आपके पास जो आपको नहीं सुनना पसंद है?
आई थिंक मुझे लगता है कि लोग कहते हैं कि जेंजी इमोशनल नहीं है, कि जैसे आपने आई थिंक सिमिलर ही पॉइंट है कि वो कहते हैं कि हम इमोशनल नहीं हैं, पर आई थिंक हम एक्चुअली वो जनरेशन है जो इमोशंस के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. सो मेनी टॉपिक्स हैव कम अप नाउ. थेरेपी इज सच एन ओपन टॉपिक that people are speaking about now. So I think it's actually opposite जो लोग कहते हैं. वो लोग कहते हैं कि Gen Z को किसी की पड़ी नहीं है, जैसे आपने कहा, but I think it's the opposite. I think Gen Z cares too much. Oh, that's the option. One of the options.
Okay.
Or they're giving me like 3 options. I have to choose what my
Yeah,
filter
this
would
is the
be.
versus thing.
Oh.
An Airbnb with a massive balcony or an Airbnb with massive high ceiling windows.
Balcony.
Okay. An Airbnb with a massive washroom or a massive kitchen.
Washroom.
Yeah.
I'm
Okay.
probably spending more time than that.
That's all I wanted to know. These are the only filters I
Okay.
saw.
I love this question. And also is there a filter to be like next to shops, because I want that filter. Okay, good. That also. Nice. Good filter.
Thank you.
Amazing.
Cool. Yeah. This Delhi one, guys, it's a stunning property, honestly. Like, we had a great time over there. We were just running. There are like so many bedrooms, and we were just like running around between each bedroom. It's stunning. Trust me, it's really, really beautiful.
Amazing. Okay, do we have a...
And some amazing stays there. So yeah, looking forward to that.
Thank you.
Africa, I've been, but Bali. I've never been to Bali, and they have like some amazing villas and homes, and I want to go on those bikes around and surf. I can't do any of this, but I want to try. Yeah.
Oh my god. I have a feeling that you're going to do that with us. Travel for you. What is travel can be chaotic, like long flights or time zones and just so much. Like, how do you make sure you're always photo ready?
I really don't. I don't think if you should see me on a flight, honestly, I don't think you'd recognize me. I think for me, travel is about comfort. I need to go in my pajamas and track pants and just chill. I can't be I'm not an airport look kind of person at all.
Yeah, I think that's true. I was trying to
As I already said, it's such a perfect fit, and I think I spoke to you about this at the shoot also. I feel like there's a very strong safety component with Airbnb. When you're traveling somewhere, you know that it's a reliable place to stay at. You know that you're going to be taken care of. And actually, personally, now when we were shooting our film, Tu Mera Main Teri, Main Mera Tu Meri, in Croatia, we stayed in an Airbnb for a couple of days in Croatia, which was really fun. It was a different experience also. It felt like we were all staying together in this, homely vibe we got. And I feel like, as you said, this new generation is very confident. It gives you a sense of independence also. It feels like you're kind of taking charge of your trip. You'll also have super hosts, right, with Airbnb, which is, I think, a really cool thing to have, which is basically the people who are hosting you in the house, they recommend things to you, which which makes the experience even more fuller. Because when you go to a new place, you're constantly wondering, where should I go? Will this be good? Will this be bad? So to actually have someone there who's almost curating the trip for you and telling you where to go, I think is such a great thing to have. So for me personally, I think the safety component is my favorite part of Airbnb, but also the whole idea of just being independent and figuring, something out is a lot.
Yes.
And there is no helper. We should have planned for it. But anyway, we anyway send you a helper. So Ananya, tell us, like, if you could host anyone as a guest for your style pivot, who would it be?
Like someone who I want to have their experience, or someone who I
No,
want to.
you want to host them. So there's
Oh,
somebody
I
who
wanna
be
host
like, you know
someone.
what, like I'm doing the style and it come. Like you need to get styled. And
You need to get now you become spicy, huh?
I was trying.
Adding your own masala to the question. I think I'd like to have like my friends with me, my school friends. A lot of them are getting married actually. We're a group of 7 girls and 3 of them are already engaged. So I think like a fun bachelorette trip at the Airbnb would be nice.
Amazing.
In India,
Huh.
I think it would be Delhi only because for me Delhi is like a home away from home. My mom's side of the family lives in Delhi, so I should be Delhi a lot. And the shoot was very hectic, I was traveling to Rajasthan then for my shoot, so we didn't get to spend enough time. But we did go and watch a movie. But next time I think we want to go and have like a street food in Delhi and just like shop around a little bit. Yeah, so Delhi.
We do have an Airbnb experience. Okay, one fashion item that's always in your travel bag.
I think like a good pair of jeans. Like you can always dress that up or dress it down. So like really well fitted or like loose jeans, whatever's cool right now. But like good jeans.
And she has good jeans too. If I may just add that. Okay, no, maybe second last. Okay, let's say Airbnb gave you a fashion time machine. What decade or year would you want to travel to for style inspo? And where in the world would you go?
I mean, I'm like really a 2000s girl, I've like grown up in that era, so I like feel like I would want to go back just to like be, like a young girl. Like it sounds like I've done it before, but I'm really nostalgic for that time. Like some of the fashion choices that we made, we used to have that puff in our hair and kajal and like skinny jeans ripped and like neon bands on our hands and all. It was quite a fun time, so I want to go back just to like be nostalgic. And if I could go anywhere in the world, I love anything to do with animals. So as you can see with my safari-inspired look. So somewhere in Africa.
Amazing. Wow.
Bali. I've never been to Bali, and they have like some amazing like villas and homes, and I want to go on those like bikes around and like surf. I can't do any of this, but I want to try. Yeah.
Oh my god. I have a feeling that you're going to do that with